Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found the perfect image in Canva, but there's just one little part you wish you could get rid of? Maybe it's a background, a watermark, or a graphic element that's just not working. For the longest time, I thought you needed Photoshop for that kind of magic, but guess what? You can do it right inside Canva. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to erase parts of an image, a graphic, and even your own drawings. It's easier than you think. Let's dive in. To edit an image, click on it, and then click on Edit. Like in this image, I want to remove the Debian logo. This is how I can remove it without messing up the background color. If you want to remove one specific thing, you can use the Magic Eraser. Click on Magic Eraser. The key with the Magic Eraser is you have to show it what you want to remove. Adjust your brush size, then simply brush over the object you want to disappear. Look at that, it seamlessly removed just the object I selected, and it did an amazing job of reconstructing the background color. This is perfect for removing people from the background of a shot, getting rid of watermarks or logos, cleaning up small objects and distractions. It's like a surgical strike for your images. The most common erasing task is removing a background from a photo. Canva has a dedicated, powerful tool for this. First, click on your image to select it. Now, look at the top toolbar. You'll see an option that says Edit Image. Click that and a new menu pops up on the side. See that magic wand icon that says BG Remover? That's our golden ticket. And just like that, poof. The background is gone. It's not perfect magic. You might see some rough edges on complex images like hair, but for most things, it's incredible. The Magic Grab is another one of Canva's AI-powered magic tools, and it's a fantastic addition. It's not strictly an eraser in the traditional sense, but it's a powerful way to remove an object by extracting it first. I want to erase something from one spot the laptop and then magically grab it to use somewhere else? Canva's Magic Grab tool lets you do exactly that, and it might be the most impressive AI feature yet. This is super useful if you want to reposition people or objects in your design, but keep the original background looking natural. Think of it as erasing and moving at the same time, but Canva does the cleanup for you. The crop tool is a fundamental editing feature, and while it's not an eraser in the literal sense, it is a primary method for removing parts of an image by trimming away the edges. Just select your image, then click on Crop from the toolbar. You'll get drag handles around the picture. Just pull them in to cut out the parts you don't want, then hit Done. This is the fastest way to remove large sections or resize your focus area without actually erasing anything. And the best part, you can always recrop or undo it later. It's non-destructive. Let's look at Canva's Grab Text tool. This is super useful when you've got an image or design with text baked into it, like a flyer, screenshot, or old graphic. Instead of typing everything out again, just select your image, click Edit Photo, then choose Grab Text. Canva scans the image and pulls all the text into an editable text box. From here, you can change the wording, update fonts, or copy it for a new design. It saves tons of time and makes old graphics editable again. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials that save you time and unlock your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.